I'm going to take you on a quick tour of eLab. So we've already created our QuickBooks 2018 desktop course. What do we do next? The next thing we do is we go into the assignments library and we look at all the assignments. My course is not as extensive as this course is, so I know that I need to simply delete some content. I'm going to start with the extend your skills because I know that I'm not going to have time in my course to get through that. So if I want to get rid of the extend my skills, I can simply delete it by selecting the red X. We also have a very convenient global settings. If I want to make a mass deletion of all the extend your skills, I can simply check the extend your skills and scroll up and hit delete. eLab is going to remind me that I'm going to delete them, and I'll say yes. Next place I'm going to go to is our tests. We have published chapter tests, unit tests, and your final exam, and we also have concept review quizzes already populated. If I'm going to use our capstones, I would like to remove my unit tests, and I'm going to give a production exam instead. So I go over to the unit test, and I can simply hit delete. You also have full edit functionality by hitting the pencil, and that will say I'd like to give random select, and I want to shorten this. So now each of my students has a unique exam, and I've taken the number of questions down to 14 with 27, and I'm going to save. And editing an eLab test is very simple. You can remove them, you can add questions, and you can create your own questions. The next place is the Manage tab. After you've customized your eLab course, simply go to the Manage tab, highlight, copy the course URL, and put it in your LMS. If you prefer, you can also send it via email to your students by following these directions down here in the note. Students hit the active link and their course code automatically populates. If you have multiple teachers teaching the same course and you want consistency across your institution, you can go down below into the resource sharing, select that, and add your instructor's email address and an access code. They will have a full copy of your course. So you'll have consistency across the institution. Now as I go into the View as Learner, this is our engaging student experience. On the content area, we will have learning objectives, PowerPoint presentations, and videos, as well as self-assessments. We're also going to help the students with a Getting Started video. This helps them understand their textbook, ebook, and eLab and how it all puts together, how to install trial software, how to zip and unzip files, and it also includes our QuickBooks Certified User Study Guide. This is articulated to the Certiport QuickBooks Certified User Program, so this helps our students achieve their certification. So we went and we did some edits on our assignments. This is what it looks like now from our assignment for our students. They're already published and students can go. If you'd like to, you can edit dates available and date due. You do that in your instructor view, and then those dates would appear for students. And this is how it looks like for a student. Students simply select Start a Test. And they can submit their test and view their results. Thank you for your interest in eLab. We hope that it works well for you and your learners.